the way you dressed. I guess I thought your style might grow on me. You're never really honest, made me guess. And now I want you far from close to me. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome, but I can't promise that you got me out of whack. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna do with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss, but I can't promise that you got me out of whack. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna do with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss, I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now?